Today I'm going to be going over AMC and GME stock and why I believe a huge move is coming this week. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So when it comes to AMC stock right now, everything is looking bullish. Every indicator, all the data that there is, everything is predicting that the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks are going to be bullish for AMC. Now, we was predicting a price of $6.30 to $6.60. I think it is going to be a lot higher. I mean, there is no limit to how high we can go, especially when we got pushed down this much. The intrinsic value of AMC is around $23. That's still only $2.30 before the split. I think we could see AMC easily trading past $40. And like I said, this could be the biggest cup and handle forming that the stock market has ever seen in history with AMC stock right now. I don't think it's going to stay trading this low. It's trading at all-time lows right now, which doesn't make any sense. You know, when we compare it to Cinemark, when we compare it to IMAX, same business models. Only difference is that AMC has more theaters than all of them. They do have some debt to pay off, but that is going to get paid off. And when it comes to the box office, you know, making a lot of money, the box office breaking records, AMC is making the majority of the money because they have the most theaters. GameStop, on the other hand, has been consolidating. You know, there was low volume on Friday, only 11 million shares traded. And I do think that when Roaring Kitty comes out, this is going to go parabolic. It's going to go easily past $40 in my opinion. None of this is financial advice though, and I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but I do think that this is far from over. A lot of people are saying it's done. I really don't think so. Costs just went crazy on Friday. It was up another 25%, went down 6% after hours, and we could see costs continue to run. I don't think it's going to happen on Monday. It might happen, I don't know, but I do think we might fall back below $10 and then go higher. I think another kitty is going to form, but I don't know. It looks like there's support around $12. We will just have to wait and find out to see what happens on Monday. But it is going to be a big year. I mean, it's going to be non-stop with these stocks. AMC did close green on Friday, and I mean, the volume is pretty low right now. Like GameStop, it was also at 11 million flat, 11 million shares traded. And just the fact that, you know, the volume is pretty low and we're still not going anywhere, that's just showing that not a lot of people are selling. People are buying more. We're just accumulating. All of us apes are accumulating a lot more, and I do think this could be a freaking big ass kitty forming. A big ass kitty. We have yet to see its second year. Some people call this the second year. They know, like a little retarded kitty, but I really do think it can possibly happen this coming week, and we could see a spike, 100% spike. Even a 30% spike would be pretty solid. 100% spike would be trading over $10. So the OBV on AMC stock is at all-time highs right now. It's higher than it was in 2021 before the short squeeze happened. So this guy said when a stock has a high on balance volume, OBV, it indicates that there is a strong accumulation happening in the stock. This means that the volume on up days is greater than the volume on down days, suggesting that more buying is happening when the stock price is rising and less selling is happening when the stock price is falling. Which begs the question, if retail has owned 90% of the free float since 2021, how is it possible for continued buying? There's unlimited buying, and it doesn't look like it's stopping because I'm still buying shares. I don't know about you guys. I'm still buying shares of AMC at $5. I think it's a steal. I think it should be trading at $20 minimum. And, you know, the longer they keep it there, just like in my last video, Roaring Kitty said, the longer that you want to keep offering me this price, I mean, I'm going to keep taking it. I'm going to keep adding more shares because I do think that the theory is right. I think AMC is undervalued, and I think this is just a perfect price to load up at, in my opinion. So this guy said AMC is already programmed to fill these gaps. First one at $19, second one at $42. Don't be surprised when we effing moon after that. So like I said, I mean, once we do hit these gaps of $19 and $42, we could see a huge cup and handle forming. I mean, probably the biggest cup and handle we've ever seen. We did see a cup and handle at $4.30, which was our low before shooting back up to $5. But this itself can just be a whole cup and handle that's forming over the pattern of 1 year. If we go over the past 1 year, we're still down over 80%, over 85%. And if it is a cup and handle, and I'm not wrong about this, we will go back to $50, then probably go back down towards, you know, 30, 25, and then skyrocket from there. I'm starting to look at, you know, $27 calls on AMC. I know it might be crazy, you know, $27 strike price for 2025, but if those do hit, it will be an insane amount of money. It will make people millionaires. It will make people millionaires, and I'm looking at buying some of those calls. In my opinion, I think that they could print. Over time, they could possibly print. So Practical Stocks also said the MACD on AMC has turned bullish on the monthly time frame. So the MACD is also a big factor here. The OBV at all-time highs, you know, a huge bullish indicator here. But the last time that the MACD is the blue line underneath here, the last time that was bullish was in late 2021. So it's been bearish for a long time, so literally since 2021, and now it's bullish as of today. It is go time. People are thinking it's dead. People are thinking it's over. It's just getting freaking started. It is just getting freaking started, and I'm so excited for what's to come. I am so jacked to the tits because, you know, everything is showing that it's bullish. So the longer that AMC continues to trade sideways, if it goes down a little bit, even better. Because I'm buying more at these prices. I am buying more at these prices. So Roaring Kitty just updated his YouTube playlist and removed a hidden video from his all streams playlist. Last time this happened was June 6th, and he went live the following day. Kitty might go live again tomorrow. The GME short squeeze to $150 is incoming. So Roaring Kitty did update his all live streams playlist today, which is freaking insane. The last time he did do this, he went live the next day, and that's going to be pretty interesting to see. Maybe he's like, you know what, I can't go live during the market, because if I do go live, they're going to tank the price. That's what happened. So maybe he's going to go live tomorrow when the market's closed on Sunday. Who knows what the frick he's going to say. If he shows that he has any GameStop in his portfolio and he does go live tomorrow on Sunday, oh my gosh, Monday morning we are going to see it go up to $40 pre-market, almost 100%, possibly 100%. Who knows? AMC as well. I mean, we all know what the frick is going to happen. It's right in front of our faces. Why do you think all these whales have been loading up calls, loading up millions of dollars in call options on GME and AMC? Why do you think there was a buy-in balance on AMC for like 9 million shares as well? People know what's coming. The whales aren't retarded. That's why they have millions of dollars and they are loading into these stocks. And if you notice, I mean, we're getting more FUD than ever before. The hedge funds are crapping their pants. The hedge funds are on the verge of bankruptcy. There was hedge funds that were loaded into puts at $10 on GameStop, loaded into puts at $3 on AMC. Those sick bastards, they screwed up big time. And now they're locked in with the bulls. It is too freaking late. They are locked in with the bulls. So Kevin Malone said since May 13th, GameStop has increased their cash pile by 300%, increased their share count by only 40%, decreased their debt to less than 1% of cash, and yet their stock is down. Obviously, it doesn't make sense. And I do think GameStop is due for another short squeeze, and this time it is going to go higher than $80. I really do believe it's going to pass the 2 kitty ears and go higher. That's exactly what happened in 2021. So I think the big runs are yet to come. The prophecy said, you know, fake squeeze before real squeeze. And that is exactly what we're seeing here. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GME stock every single day. And tomorrow, if Roaring Kitty does go live, it is going to be crazy. We still have no word from Roaring Kitty. He hasn't made no live stream yet, but I will update you guys on X today if he does set a live stream or anything like that. So make sure to go follow me on X. My username is Mikey's_money. I am posting there every single day. And like I said, none of this is financial advice, but I am still holding my call options on AMC, and I do think they are still going to print. I do think AMC is due for a short squeeze. If it just goes to $10, those calls are going to be a 10x. I would rather lose the $1,000 that I have in call options, you know, if it doesn't squeeze, than regret not having the $1,000 in call options when it does squeeze. That's just how I'm seeing things. But I will catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on.